Welcome to Wisdom Outline Coaching. My name is Askar Khan, your math coach. In this lesson, we will be studying the fundamentals of adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing decimals. So let us dive into the lesson of the fundamentals of operating with decimals. Let's first try to understand the place values of each digit. This is 235.86. So let's figure out what are the place values of each digit. 5 is in ones place. 3 is in tens place. 2 is in hundreds place. 8 is in tenths place because it's after the decimal point. 6 is in hundredths place. Hundredth. So you get it? So we have to first identify what are the place values of each digits. Then it becomes easy to align the decimal numbers one below the other according to the place values. Let's try this problem. 7.6 plus 19. We need to evaluate this. In other words, add them. So now since we already know what are the ones place, tens place in a digit, when you want to add them, align the digits according to their place values. So 7.6 plus 19, which is in the ones place? 9. So align 9 and the 7, and 1 is in the tens place. And now we can easily add them, put a point and add a 0 because we don't have any digits over there. Now it's simple addition. 6 plus 0 is 6 point. 9 plus 7 is 16. So add 6, take 1 over there. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 7.6 plus 19 is 26.6. So you get it? The basic idea is align the digits in alignment with their place values. Let's try this. Evaluate 3.4 minus 0.24. The same concept applies. Align the digits according to their place values. So 3.4 minus 1's place of 0.24 is 0 point. The 10th place of 24 is 2 and 4. Because we don't have any other digit above a 4, let's just fill it up with a 0. Now it becomes simple lower grade math. 0 minus 4, 0 is less than 4, so we can't basically subtract. So we will borrow 1 from this 4. So what happens when we borrow 1 from this 4? This becomes 10 and this becomes 3. So 10 minus 4 is 6. Then 3 minus 2 is 1 point. 3 minus 0 is 3. So 3.4 minus 0.24 is 3.16. Let's evaluate this. 7.2 times 0.21. Now this is a multiplication. So in order to multiply, for the time being, forget about the decimals. Don't worry about the decimal. So let's just multiply. Observe how it's done. Take the ones place or this last digit, multiply with every single digit of this number. So let's look at that. 2 times 1 is 2. 7 times 1 is 7. So we are done with that. Now we are moving to 2. Because we are moving to 2 now, what we will do is we will insert a 0 over here and then proceed with our normal multiplication to the next digit. 2 times 2 is 4. 7 times 2 is 14. And if suppose there was another number, we will repeat the same process. Let me show you that also. Now we finished with 2, we are moving to the 0. Now because we are moving to the third digit, what we will do is we will add 2 zeros. I am just showing you the method in case if there was some other digit, other number than 0, what will it be? So let's go ahead. 2 times 0 is 0. 7 times 0 is 0. So now we are done with all the digits. We will simply add them all. So 2 plus 0 plus 0 is 2. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 carry 1. And that's 5. And this is 1. But don't forget, these are decimal numbers. So what we will do is count the number of digits after the decimal point, starting from right to left. So how many do we have? 1, 2, 3. So now we will place the decimal point starting from the right, moving towards the left after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. And we will place the decimal point here. So the answer of 7.2 times 0.21 is 1.512. Get it? Let's evaluate this. 0.84 divided by 0.2. So first let's write it like a fraction. Easy to visualize. 0.84 divided by 0.2. Now if you observe, the denominator is a decimal number. Let us try to make this denominator a whole number. That means I have to shift this decimal point 1 digit to the right. Only then the number will become a whole number, which is just 2 in this case. So when I shift this decimal point 1 digit to the right, I will have to also shift the decimal point of the numerator 1 digit to my right. So how will it look like when I do that? It's gonna be, we will have now 8.4 divided by 2. Now we can do our normal division, what we learned in our grade 1 classes, right? 8.4 divided by 2. 2 4 times is 8. You all know the divisions. We put the decimal point, bring down the 4. 2 times is 4 and the remainder is 0. So the 8.4 divided by 2 is 4.2. That's our answer. So 0.84 divided by 0.2 is 4.2. The idea is make the denominator a whole number so that it becomes easy for us to divide, like how we did in our lower grades. Look at this. Let's evaluate. 3.6 divided by 0.004. First thing, let's write it as a fraction. Easy to visualize. Visualization is very powerful. So 3.6 divided by 0.004. The idea is still the same. make the denominator a whole number. In order to make the denominator a whole number, I have to shift the decimal point. How many digits? 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Similarly, I have to shift the decimal point of the numerator also by 3 digits to my right. So let's see what happens when we do that. So 1, 2, 3. My decimal point is over here, which no need of placing it because we don't have any other number to the side of 4. So the denominator becomes 4. Now, because I shifted the decimal point 3 digits to the right in the denominator, I will also shift the decimal point 3 digits to the right of the numerator. So 1. So 1 place is gone. 2 more left over. In order to fill that, I will put 2 zeros and move on. Get it? So now we have 3,600 divided by 4. And that is very simple. You already did it in your lower grades. 3,600. Take the 2 digits first. 4 9 times is 36. Minus it. You're left with 2 zeros more. Just simply put it over there. Lower grade math. So 3,600 divided by 4 is 900. So 3.6 divided by 0.004 is 900. Get it? How you do the basic addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of decimal numbers? Great going. I'm glad that you stuck to the lesson, you focused on the lesson, and I hope you got it clearly. Do practice more problems on this. For math coaching classes for board exams, you can WhatsApp me at the number given in the description below. Thank you for watching the video and thank yourself for being proactive in learning. My name is Askar Khan and looking forward for more videos to help you learn. Welcome once again to Wisdom Outlined Coaching. Thank you.